My favorite place to be is toes in the sand.
To the city streets.
It's kind of funny. We came to the Gulf Coast to get Maine lobster.
We rise like tall buildings.
A thunderstorm warning for southern Gulf County in Florida.
Scared the crap out of me.
And it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running
Lobster rolls? I've never had one.
Is it in there?
Yeah. How do you eat it? Oh my goodness, it's huge. Wow.
Never had one before.
I love seafood.
Yeah.
I just love it. Why have I not ever had one of these? It took me
'Cause
60 years to get one of these things.
Because they're a little on the pricey side.
Welcome to the Gulf Coast.
I think it's kind of funny. We came to the Gulf Coast to get Maine lobster. That's all right. So seafood time. Delicious. Very decadent. Happy anniversary.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
What other fun treasures did you find today?
I went on a walk with Tia
Yep.
and I found this.
Well, that's really cool.
Just wait. Lakeland, Florida, I would imagine. Lakeland rocks. So I gotta find them on Facebook and take a picture
Okay.
so they know that their rock was found in Carrabelle, Florida. Not far away. It's going to go back all the way to Minnesota. Really gonna take a hike. I just like the fact that it was across and it was sitting on top of a piling. And I saw it there earlier today and I'm like, I'll leave it for somebody else. And then I went back again and like it was still there and I'm like, I want it. I think it's pretty. And I
Yeah.
think it'll be fun to take it on a journey. Because we're on a journey. Very pretty.
What you got?
Halloween. Turn down the lights. Oh. Ooh. Gee. So fun. There's that storm coming.
Well, we do have a storm coming. We just was noticing on our phones that we're under a severe thunderstorm warning here along the Gulf Coast in Franklin County.
It's not a part of Hurricane Melissa, but it's at the same time as Hurricane Melissa.
Well, that's way far
It is,
away.
but I thought maybe we would get a little aftermath of that, but this is just another storm just moving through.
That's what we're doing this morning. We're having our coffee and we are waiting for the storm to blow through.
So we've got it all opened up for right now, but guessing we'll have to batten down the hatches as soon as it comes. We are underneath that storm warning, but it's a little bit east of us, or west of us right now, so.
Yeah. So this will be a first. We're sitting right on the edge of the breakwater here in our van, which is wonderful, but we'll see what this comes as.
We might end up with some saltwater splashes up on the back end.
We'll be prepared to move a little bit further inland if the seas start to get a little rough. I don't think they will, but we'll see. Stick around with us and we'll weather the storm together.
Woo!
The thunderstorm warning for southern Gulf County in Florida, south central Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, Franklin County in Big Bend, Florida, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight.
Scared the crap out of me. That was scary. Oh my word. I'm out of jumpy person, but that got me. Of course, the fan is right above me and it's open, so it was very loud. It's like, oh, it's like a shot. Wow. Whew.
Tia, what's going on? Tia. What else do you do during the thunderstorm but download the video? It's quite a storm.
I'm scared. I'm gonna try to sleep through it.
Okay. We're unplugged from the pedestal out there just to make sure that we don't get short-circuited and unplugged and turned off. So we're just running off of our batteries right now until the storm rolls through. But a lot of lightning.
Got the weather radio, got a sleeping dog, and a foggy windshield. And the pumpkin is still happy.
He likes scary things.
I obviously couldn't sleep through this thing.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Colorado calls to me, and Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I've swam the beaches on the West Coast,